Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there? Dante Bona, OnlyWoodFloors, and we are here in Corona Del Mar. It's a wet one out here today. My socks and shoes are soaking wet just from stepping in puddles. But let me turn this around and show you guys kind of weather we're looking at. You can see all the rain coming down, everything. But let me go ahead and turn this thing around, show you what we got going on here. So this job in particular is, they did their floors probably like 5-6 years ago. Love the color, but just, refinished everything. And then they had some painters come in. Painters put tape on the floor and ruined the spot. So we're here to pretty much resand everything and fix everything. The last thing they want is patchwork. So let me turn this thing around and we'll show you what we got going on. Okay, so go ahead and take a look at the floor. So that's the floor. So we're basically gonna sand and stain the same color. So right now, like I said, it's a wet one, so we are readjusting everything. We're about to start putting plastic all over the place. Just get everything going as best as we can. But we're gonna restain the same color. Could be early American, could be Provincial. We'll find out in a little bit, but we're gonna sand pretty much all the way from the kitchen, all the way up to this first step right there on the bottom. We're gonna sand in here, get this floor all sanded and everything. So that's what we're looking at right now. So I'll do a video update in a couple hours and show you guys what we're looking at as far as process goes. Everybody have a good day.